How high will Injective go in the 2024 bull market? In this video I share my Injective price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Injective to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. Injective is on place 26 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of nearly $3 billion. The coin is existent since 2021 and we saw the all-time high in 2023. We built the last all-time high in 2021. We then saw this longer bearish move to the downside, and then we started this bullish explosion to the upside. We rapidly moved to the upside, and after we broke the old all-time high with this weekly body close, we then continued with this bullish explosion. And from the bottom to the top we saw a move about 3,900%. So this was a massive explosion for Injective. And now the question is, are we continue to move to the upside again, or do we see lower prices for Injective? I think Injective is a great project with very nice fundamentals, and I think we have a lot of potential to the upside. Of course, we are already on place 26 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of nearly $3 billion. But we also have much potential to the upside if we are comparing the market cap from Injective to the market cap of the top 10 coins of all cryptocurrencies. We have a market cap of $11 billion. So we already have here a potential of 3.5x. But if enough money flows into the crypto market, and if we are continuing this bullish trend to the upside, then the chance is high that we reach the all-time high from the market cap. And I think the chance is very high that we also explode over the last all-time high. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance is high that much money comes into the crypto market. And if then enough money flows into Injective, the chance is high that we could see even higher prices. So I think prices around $300 are very realistic for the next bull run. And from the prices right now to a price target of $300, we would have a potential of 800%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Injective. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But as I said, if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chances that we are reaching this kind of price targets is very high. Especially Injective is a great project with very nice fundamentals. And if the bull run really starts, this kind of prices are very realistic. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Injective. And the first really interesting price area is this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. And always as we came back into this zone, we saw this rejection to the upside. So if we are not breaking this demand zone to the downside, and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great area to buy some coins for the long term. But if we are seeing lower prices again, then I would definitely have a look at this demand zone right here, because this longer consolidation was the start of this massive push to the upside. So if we are coming back into this demand zone, the chance that we see a trend continuation is very high. So if we come back into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great chance to buy some coins for the long term. And of course, the lower the prices are, the bigger is the potential to the upside. And I think these are two great technical areas to buy some Injective. But if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Injective, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So again, guys, I think Injective is a great project with very nice fundamentals. We have a lot of potential to the upside. And if enough money flows into the crypto market, and especially also in Injective, the chance that we could reach price targets around $300 are very realistic. If you want to see my Casper price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a full playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.